So this is a gearbox that I'd repaired for a customer, and it was perfectly well shimmed. I've been doing these repairs for 15 years now. I fitted a Nuprol high-speed gear set. It worked great for about 2 days, and then here we go, all the teeth sheared off, and there they are, sat in the gearbox. Now this has happened to me before, and it's not from work I've done. I got a gun in this state and had to fix it, and I didn't know whether it was the Nuprol gear or whether it was badly shimmed or bad abuse, whatever. So I couldn't put it down to the Nuprol gearbox. I'll put a link to that video here. It's when I was doing an SA80 gearbox rebuild. But this one, brand new gear, I fitted it, gearbox was shimmed perfectly, cycled brilliantly, very quiet gearbox. Springs, I think well, FPS was 300 on 0.2s, so M90 spring. No way a spring like that should cause that amount of damage to those teeth. Those teeth should, yeah, it's got to say it's pish poor. So I won't be using Nuprol gear sets ever again. I'm going to go back to using SHS or similar. Yeah, just thought you'd like a quick update, and it's worthwhile knowing.